today we are going to learn how to create Anaglyph 3D effect in Photoshop in just 1 minute. And also I have a gift for you. First we need to know what is Anaglyph 3D. Anaglyph 3D is, in simple words, it is the separation of red and cyan. Okay, first make 2 copies by pressing Ctrl and J twice. We can name them red and cyan. Now double click in the red layer to open the layer style dialog box. Check only the red channel. Now again double click in the cyan layer and this time check green and blue channels. Now with the move tool just move red and cyan layer to the left or right. And there we go. I have an action for you. Select any of them and hit play. The cool thing is you can change it any way you want. Just expand the group and double click the original layer. A new tab will show up. Here you can change anything. Once you are done, just save it and then close it. Since it's a smart object, so all other layers will be updated. So this is how you can create Anaglyph 3D effect in Photoshop.